our lesson today. We will take today the equation. The first one I have here in the equation, I have in this picture, we have the weight in the left bag. I have here, this is in the left one, in the left bag equal what? The weight here equal 5 kilogram. And in the right side, I have here, in the right bag, I have here the weight of watermelon, and I have 2 kilogram. Okay? So I have here in the left side 5 kilogram, and I have in the right side I have here, this is the watermelon. So I denoted, we denoted the weight of this watermelon by x. So the weight of the watermelon is x kilogram, and I have in the right side 2 kilogram. So I have here, if I want to write the equation, if I want to make this scale is balanced. What the meaning of the scale balanced? That's meaning that value in the right side it must be equal to the value in the left side. That's meaning what? I will cancel the weight of the watermelon and write x kilogram plus I have here 2 kilogram. It must be equal. It must be equal 5 kilogram. This is called what? This is called the equation. So I have here what? If I have here x plus 2 equal 5. This is called what? This is called the equation. So the weight of the watermelon and plus the 2 kilogram equal what? It must be equal 5 centimeters. So 5 kilogram. So this is called equation. Okay? Today we will take how to solving this equation. How to get the value of x. So I ask myself, what the number here? X plus 2 equal 5. So the weight of this watermelon will be what? If I ask myself, what the number plus 2 gives you? 5. So we set 3. If I have 3 plus 2, the result will be 5. Today we will take another way to solving this equation. Let's see how can I solve this one. X plus 2 equal 5. Now I want to get what? I want to solving this equation. What to meaning to solve this equation? So I want to get the value, or I want to find the value of the unknown. I want to find the value of the unknown. What's the unknown here? The unknown here is called x. So I want to get the value of the unknown x. Okay? To what? To satisfy this equation. So I want to get the value of x. What the number beside x? The number beside x is 2. So I move 2 by another side in different side. So if I have 2 by plus, it will get out by minus. If I have 2 minus, it will be out plus. Okay? If I have divided, I changed it out to become times. If I have divided, it will become minus. But if I have multiplying, it will be divided. Okay? So I have here plus 2. I change plus 2 out, move 2 out in another side by different side. So x, it will be equal 5, it will be plus 2. Get plus 2 out, it will be minus 2. So the value of x, it will be 3. So this is the solution of the equation. So solution of this equation, it will be 3. That's meaning if I cancel x and write 3, so the result will be 3 plus 2, it will be equal 5. So this equation, it must be in balance. What's the meaning of this balance? The right hand side and the left hand side, it must be equal. Okay? The next one. The first example, solve the equation. I want to solve the equation. How? What's the meaning of solve the equation? Solve this equation. So I want to get the value of the unknown. I want to get the value of the unknown. I have here x plus 3 equal 4. So I want to get what? I want to get the value of unknown. What the unknown here? X. So move the number beside x out. Move this number out by different sign. Move the number out by different sign. So it will be x equal 4. It will be plus 3. It's out minus 3. So the result will be x equal 4 minus 3. It will be 1. So the value of x here, it will be 1. If I cancel x and write here 1 plus 3, it will be equal 4. So my solution is right. Okay? The next one, I have here x minus 5 equal 10. This is the next one. So I want to get what? I want to solve this equation. How can I solve the equation? By what? Find the value of the unknown. I want to get the value of unknown. What the unknown here? The unknown here is x. I want to get the value of the number x. I will what? I will take this number beside x out by different sign. I have here negative 5 or minus 5. It will be get out. It will be x equal. What's the number after equal? 10. So I must put 10. Minus 5 it gets out by using plus 5. So the value of the number x, it will be 10 plus 5, it will be equal 15. So the result here, x will be equal 15. So the solution set or the value of x equal 15. If I cancel x here and write 15 up here, so 15 minus 5, it will be equal 10. The next one. Now, I want to get what I have in the first one. I have in the first one 5x equal 15. So now I want to get the value of the unknown. What the unknown here? X. So I have here 5x. What's the meaning of 5x? 5x, that's meaning 5 times x. It will be equal 15. And I ask myself, what the number times 5 gets you 15? So you said 15 divided by 5, it will be equal 3, because 5 times 3, it will be equal 15. Now I want to get the value of the x. How can I get the value of x? By dividing the whole side by 5. Okay? Because 5 divided by 5, it will be equal 1x. And 15 divided by 5, it will be equal 3. So the value of the unknown here, it will be x equal 3. So I solve this equation and the result will be 3. If I make here 5 times 3, so the result will be 15. Another one, 3x equal 27. What the meaning of 3x? 3 times what? 3 times x equal 27. So I want to get the value of this unknown. I want to get the value of x. How can I get the value of this number x? And I ask myself, 3 times dot equal 27. 3 times what? 3 times 9 equal 27. So the value of this x equal 9. But now I want to solve it by solving the equation. So I make what? I will divide the whole side by 3. If I make here divided by 3 and if I make here divided by 3, so I will cancel 3 with 3 like a fraction. 3 divided 3 equal 1. And I have here 27 divided by 3, so the result here will be x equal 27 divided by 3, it will be equal 9. So if I make here 3 times 9, so the result will be equal 27. The next one, b over 5 equal 10. That's meaning what? That's meaning what the number I have here, b over 5 equal 10. What the number divided by 5 equal 10? I want to solve this equation. This is like what? b divided by 5 equal 10. Ask myself, what the number with divided by 5 equal 10? We take it from junior 3. When I have nearest, so I make times 5 times 10, it will be 50. So 50 divided by 5, so the result will be 10. By another way, I want to solve this by using equation. So I have here b divided 5, b over 5, we said, compared to dividing into times. So I make times and times in the right side and in the left side by the same number, b divided by 5, and I want to cancel this number. So I make divided the whole 5 by 5. I will cancel 5 with 5, 5 divided 5, and the result will be b equal 10 times 5, it will be equal 50. So the result will be 50. Okay? And the next one, I have here z over 3, it will be equal 20. That's meaning z divided by 3, it will be equal 20. I want to solve this equation. We take before from geometry. If I have here near it, so I make what? So I make times 20 times 3, it will be equal 60. So 60 divided by 3, so the result will be equal 20. So I have here z divided 3 equal 20. I want to get out from this number 3. So by divided the whole side, by times the whole side by 3. So 3 cancel 3 with 3. So I have here z equal 3 times 20, it will be equal 60. So the result of z, it will be equal 60. The next one, if I have here, I want to solve this equation. 5x minus 10 equal 35. Solving the equation, that means I want to get the value of what? The value of x. How can I get the value of x? Number 1, I have here negative 5 or minus 10. I get this minus 10 out by different sign. So I have here 5x equal, the number beside equal, and write in the first, and minus 5, it will get out, it will be plus 10. Okay? And I have here 5x equal 35 plus 10, it will be equal 45. I have here 5x equal 45. So now I want to get the value of x. So what the number beside x? 5x. That's meaning 5 times x. So I divided the whole side by 5 to cancel 5 with 5. And I will divide also this side by 5. So I have here the x, it will be equal 45 divided by 5. So the result will be equal 9. Okay? The next one. I have here 3y minus 5 equals 7. And I want to get the value of y. How can I get the value of this number y? By what? Move the number beside y to the other side by different side. I have here 3y minus 5 equals 7. So I have here 3y. I want to get the value of y. And I have here 7. Minus 5, get out, it will become plus 5. So I have here 3y equal 7 plus 5, it will be equal 12. So I want to get the value of y by divided the whole side by 3, divided the whole side by 3, like a fraction, 3 divided by 3 equal 1. So the result will be equal 1. 12 divided by 3, it will be equal 4. So the result here will be 4. The next one. I want to get what? I want to find the value of the unknown x. And I have here, my equation is what? My equation, I have here 2x plus 8, it will be equal 14. Number 1, I want to get here the value of the unknown x. So move the number beside x out by different sign. I have here plus 8, it will be get out plus 8 by different sign. 2x equal, what the number after equal? 14. What 14 in the first? Plus 5, get plus 5 out, it will become, plus 8. Plus 8, get plus 8 out, minus 8. Okay? And I have here 2x equal 14 minus 8. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It will be equal 6. So I want to get the value of x. How can I get the value of x? I have here 2x equal 6. So I have here 2x, that's meaning 2 times x. By dividing the whole side by 2. Then cancel 2 with 2, so I have the result here x equal 6 divided by 2, it will be equal 3. So the value of the unknown here, it will be equal 3. The next one, I have here 2x plus 9 equal 21. And I want to get the value of the unknown. What the unknown here is x. So what the number beside x is plus 9. Get plus 9 out by different sign. Okay, so I have here 2x equal 21 minus 9. After we will make what here? 2, 1 and 2 becomes 11, and this one number 2 it's become 1. 11 minus 9, after 9, 10, 11 equal 2, and 1 minus 2 number equal 1. So divided the both sides by 2 to be in the simplest form and get the value of x. X equal 12 divided by 2, so the result will be equal 6. So my solution is 6. The next one, I want to make what I want to translate each variable of a statement into an equation. I have here statement and I want to convert this statement to be equation. Okay? Number 1, number 5 subtracted from the number x. We take before when we said subtracted from the number after from. The number after from. What the number after from? The number after from, it will be x. Subtracted from what? From 5. Is 10. What the meaning of is? It will be equal 10. This is what? This is my solution. So I compare this statement to be equation. So that's meaning x minus 5 equal 10. That's meaning the number 5 is what is subtracted from the number x, and the result will be 10. The next one, 9 is, that's meaning what? 9 is, that's meaning 9 equal what? Equal 7 more than the number y. We said before, this is what the meaning of more than. More than here, it's meaning the number 7. It's more than, it's meaning it's what? It's bigger than, that's meaning plus the number y. So 9 equal what? 9 equal y plus 7. Or can I change this? I can change this in addition, but in subtraction I can't change any places. But can I get y plus 7 in the first one, and this is equal 9? Yes, this is the right solution also. Okay? The next one, I have here 5. Number 5 times, that's meaning I make times 5 times the number b. 5 times the number b is, what the meaning of is equal what? Equal 25. And we said 5x, 5 times b, it will be 5b equal what? Equal 25. Okay? Because this is my equation. The last one, it will be 7 is. 7 is, that's meaning what?